haven't actually played this one yet, and I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, cat! Yeah. Oh, looks like we're going in. Looks like we're going in. Oh, okay. Time to use map. Look at all this. How about we go to the Gold Woods for now? Do I really need a marker if I'm just on my own? Probably not. EU ejects. Oh, let's go. Oh, penguin. Oh, hang on. Oh, it's sort of hard to see how... Okay, so am I just... Oh no, I am... Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. So... I just... Oh no, I was killing him. Okay, good. Just for a second I thought I wasn't killing him. That's pretty cool. I like the whole... I'm actually good at this! Okay, so... Pick up armor. Oh, mine's sort of broken, but... Okay, so the world's shrinking. So can I reload? Yeah, of course I can. Now, I am hurt, so... Q? Alright. Heal, heal, heal. And I guess that blue bar's my armor. Okay. What is this? Like a little trank gun thing, but it like hurts him over time? And then I got my melee weapon, which I can scroll or I can... Oh, health. So hamster ball gives me a bit of... I guess a chance to get shot at and not killed. Which is always nice. Duct tape. So is... C. Can I not do it inside the hamster ball? Yeah, I have to be outside. So it's duct tape, that's my armor, is it? I is just the inventory. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. We might get this, because this should be... No, this is still better, even though it's sort of broken. What did I get? A grenade. Apparently the bow and arrow is green. Oh, people have died here. Lots of people have died. Make sure that's all reloaded. Okay, we gotta keep going this way. Ooh, what's this? Little maybe Uzi over there? Okay, I do prefer a machine gun. So pick up some ammo. Oh, crap balls! I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Shit. Okay. Okay, so the... Okay, so that doesn't... Okay, so I fill up the cup with health. That's pretty cool. Dang! Dang! Did he die? Oh, my bananas killed him! Is that what just happened there? Okay to all. I'll leave. I actually didn't mind that. Go back into another one. Oh, I just found this, guys. There's a room with all the, like a gallery, and you can actually go up and like have a look at it. Was this like actually painted by like fans or whatever? Map. Eject. Let's go. Oh, what is that? I do like how you can sort of see. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's free fall. Ow! What? Why do I have this snorkel? Oh, I got a box. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. I got a shotgun. Alright, so I liked the idea of these because if the person's too close, I believe it blew them up. Okay, so where do I have to... Okay, so I'm in the circle, so I don't have to worry as much this time. Which is nice. Fill up my health thing. Alright, this level 2. Damn. So can I change the... Yeah, I can, and then just throw it. Okay, which makes sense. Oh no, I'm gonna do that because I don't think they can hear my footsteps, which is always handy. Still in there. Wow, what is that? What is that? Let's go have a look. Got that guy good because I was so freaking close to him, eh? Ham support. Ooh, what's in here? Open, please. Ooh, what is this? Submachine gun. Damn, son! You got. Dang, he got me! Oh, and my little things didn't get him. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Gonna saw shipyard, maybe? Last time was good because we were already in the zone, which is nice. Let's just, you know what, let's just, not here. Let's just go, yeah, we'll go to the saw shipyard, a little bit longer. Ooh, that looks like some, ooh, hello. No, eject. Okay, it's gone right there. Excuse me? Can I ride you? Sucker. Oh, I can attack with it. I might have been able to get that guy. Alright. Let's go get some. Q, I gotta remember the buttons. So it is, yeah, it's like a little dart gun. Gotta get health. heal, 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 heal. Where is he? Where is he? Bouncing. Okay, he. Oh, I'll let you go. Oh, hang on, hold on. Take that tape. I am in the zone. There. Just bouncing off everything. Bananas. Someone's died up here. I'll take that ammo, thank you. More people have died up here. Is that to me? No. I don't quite like the dart gun. I don't think. I only got 4 shots now, which isn't that great. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Dang! 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 Okay, guys, well, that's it for this video, but I'm definitely coming back to this game. That was a lot of fun. So we'll see you next time. Bye!